Cocoa lovers, what's up? We're back again. We're baking. Today we'll be making the flan. Very similar to a creme brulee, but then without the caramel. The caramel will be at the bottom rather than the top. The flavors we'll be infusing it with is orange zest and cardamom. So put on your aprons. I don't have one today, but you have one. Put it on and let's make it happen. First step in the recipe, we have to make the caramel for the bottom. One tip is when doing this, use a light colored pan that you can see the status of your caramel, let's say. Now that you have the caramel ready, nice amber, deep amber color, we'll be adding this into the pan. But do be careful because this is hot. You should let it cool off a tiny bit. We finished the caramel, we added it to the pan. First we add in the pan the milk, the orange and the cardamom, so we can infuse it well as well. We want to slightly heat it up so later on we can temper the eggs and do so very carefully. Add in the cardamom and the orange zest. After heating this up, pass it again so we can get rid of the orange zest. After we let the mixture steep for a minute to get all those flavors going, put it aside, and then we mix the sugar and the eggs. And at this point, actually, we do not want to create bubbles. We do not want air in the mixture. So now that you mixed up the eggs and the sugar and the vanilla, we add in carefully the milk mixture. This is what we call tempering the eggs. Pour it in there. Now that we filled in the pan, we're gonna be adding warm water to the sides of it. It's what we would call the bain-marie, au bain-marie. So this is nice and chilled out of the fridge. Now we're gonna make the sauce made out of dark chocolate and all the other components that you still have in there. So you're gonna get hints of the cardamom, you're gonna get hints of the orange as well. Add the heavy cream in there. We're gonna warm this up in the microwave and then we'll be adding the chocolate to it. Cream is nice and warmed up, the chocolate is melted halfway through. We're gonna add the chocolate in there, inside of the cream. Cardamom as well, cardamom powder, the salt, and a tiny bit of the orange juice. This is the sauce, we mixed it well. Now we let it chill for a minute. This is it, the time has come. Make sure you do the sides that it's ready to let go, let's say. Sometimes you have to warm up the mold for a tiny bit before flipping it. And make the flip. Now you can already see the nice sauce there coming out of the mold. And then you take this one off. Oh. Creamy caramel, zesty orange, warm cardamom with a rich chocolate finish. Beautiful. This is the good stuff. Try it out. Easy.